What if Google leaked its own biggest surprise again? That's exactly what just happened with the Pixel 10 series, and it's no longer a rumor or a blurry render. This time, the source of the leak is none other than Google itself. A new image popped up inside the Google Play Store app, showing a promotional banner that was clearly not meant to go live just yet. It says now available with a $50 discount that ends on October 13th, which suggests this was designed to be used after the Pixel 10 launch, not before. But now, we have the first official image of the entire Pixel 10 lineup, including the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold. That's right, Google just accidentally confirmed the whole family of phones weeks before the August 20th Made by Google event. While this leak may have been unintended, it lines up with Google's pattern of slowly releasing teasers when leak culture gets too big to ignore. And let's be honest, at this point, Google might be doing it on purpose. The phones in the leaked image aren't shown in a range of bright or fun colors. Instead, we get a look at what's likely the Moonstone color, supposedly a shade of gray with a hint of blue for the 3 Pro models. It's not very exciting, but we also saw a blue Pixel 10, which might be the indigo blue color. That version could at least give buyers something fresh to pick. While some people might find the color choices a bit boring, Google's idea might be to give the phones a more premium or serious appearance. Not long ago, Google had also posted an official teaser for the Pixel 10 Pro on its store, showing a short video clip and an image, which also appeared to feature the Moonstone variant. So this new leak basically just confirms what many already suspected. But the bigger story here is the way Google is managing or not managing its product secrecy. It's almost as if Google is embracing the leaks instead of trying to prevent them. This might be part of a strategy to build hype without running a traditional marketing campaign. After all, leaks spread fast and grab attention. And when the leak is official, people talk about it even more. It's a risky move, but it seems to be working for Google, at least in terms of staying in the headlines. Well, we now have a clear look at the Pixel 10 phones. Other rumored products expected at the August event remain under wraps. There could be a Pixel Watch 4, a pair of Pixel Buds 2a, and a new wireless charger. These haven't shown up in many leaks, so we don't yet have a full idea of what they'll look like or what features they might include. If Google follows the same playbook, more images or videos might appear before the event. Whether these are accidental or planned, it seems like we'll get more previews soon. As for the phones, the big reveal is less about design at this point and more about what's under the hood, things like the new chip, camera upgrades, and software features. The big question now is how Google plans to take on the Galaxy S25 and the iPhone 17 with this Pixel 10 series. Performance, camera quality, battery size in mAh, display resolution in pixels, and refresh rate in hertz will all play a role in whether these phones can truly compete. Until we get all those confirmed specs, what we know for sure is this: Google's next wave of devices is coming fast, whether the company wants to keep them secret or not. So what do you think? Was this leak a clever strategy or just another blunder? Either way, the Pixel 10 lineup is no longer a mystery. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all the latest tech news and honest leaks, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.